alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And hey y'all, it's me, Savannah, back at you with another Reverts Revue.
هنيئا لإبراهيم لاح هلاله هلال بدا للناذرين جماله هلال ربيع فيه جاء محمد فتم لنا البشرى وأما نواله.
So what is Reverts Revue? Well, Reverts Revue is actually about to go through a little bit of an overhaul. I started Reverts Revue here on the Savannah Speaks channel as a way to explain to the friends and family of Reverts, hi friends, hi family, what these Reverts were going through. To try to explain what it is that the friends and family of these Reverts were actually seeing. All of the drastic changes, dietary and otherwise, that are actually happening in the Reverts life. I wanted to try and make that transition a little bit easier. I know for my friends and my family, it was a little bit shocking to see, and still is, my reversion into Islam. So I wanted to help make that transition a little bit easier for people. The reason that I'm changing Reverts Revue a little bit is because it started to feel like I was educating on Islam. I am not a scholar, and I've said that time and time again. I am somebody who has reverted to Islam, and I'm learning things along the way. I look to other people in order to get the knowledge that I need. I was not blessed in that capacity. As of yet, who knows what Allah has in plan? Allah knows best. But as of right now, I'm not a teacher on all things Islam. I also didn't want to become a hypocrite. I felt like I was teaching about things that I am yet doing, the things that I am still struggling on. And again, I'm not here to just put my sins out for the world to see, but I'm not perfect. And this journey into becoming a Muslim and offering the submission to Allah, to God, that I feel that He deserves, it's work, and it's not easy, and I'm not perfect. Muslims are not perfect. Islam is. So I wanted to sort of backtrack what was happening and focus a little bit more on me and my reversion, because that's the only thing that I can really speak to. I can't really teach you about other people's reversion because it looks different for different people. What I would like to do is change this up a little bit and start talking about some of the things that I had challenges with, that I'm still having challenges with, and where I'm going to learn that information. And I think that this will become a much more beneficial tool for Reverts and for the friends and family of Reverts. So we're going to talk about my reversion a little bit more, and I'm going to try to steer you all in the direction that I'm taking. It might not be right for you. One of the best things that I've learned in Islam is that you need to study for yourself. You need to be convinced for yourself. There is no compulsion in religion. So you need to be educated. Iqra. You need to read. You need to educate yourself. You are responsible for your connection and relationship with Allah. Nobody else. Nobody else. So I want to keep this very organic. I want to keep this very real and very true. Y'all may not know me yet. I don't try to hold to any false pretenses. I try to keep it 100, and I am who I am. I'm the sensitive soul that I am. I'm soft as ice cream. I absolutely love everybody, but I got issues. I got things that I don't like. I got things that I'm concerned about. I got things that I'm still trying to learn. So that's what this is going to be. Reverts Revue is going to shift from me telling you, the friends and family, what the revert in your life is going through, and we're going to shift that more towards, okay, so this is what Savannah is going through. This is what some of the reverts that I know are going through. This is what we're doing to get over it. You're not alone. So it's going to be more actually talking to the reverts. I also kind of want to use this platform and the whole Reverts Revue concept as a way to bridge the gap between people who were born Muslim and people who revert to Islam. I think a lot of people who were born Muslim, and this is just what I'm gathering from the stories that I heard. Don't come at me with the sideways nonsense. But a lot of people who were born Muslim, in essence, kind of take their Islam for granted and actually think that they're guaranteed Jannah just based off of being born Muslim. Kind of how a lot of Christians actually think, you know, I'm just Christian because my mama was Christian, my daddy was Christian, my grandma was Christian. What else am I supposed to be? I don't know anything else. I don't trust anything else. You know what I mean? And I think a lot of people who are born Muslim tend to look down their noses at, sorry, beeping going on outside. I think a lot of people who are born Muslim tend to look down their noses at reverts and think that they're better than reverts, think that they have more knowledge than reverts, think they are better educated than reverts. And I think a lot of reverts end up coming into Islam and feeling alienated and feeling alone, feeling looked down upon, especially African American Muslims, and also feel like they are pressured into having to give up their culture and their identity in order to properly practice Islam, that they have to sort of encapsulate this Arab sort of culture that has nothing to do with Islam. So I want to talk about some of those issues. I want to help bridge that gap. I want reverts to understand that you are not alone. Your struggle is unique, but it is not separate from the struggle of other Muslims. And I want to make this a conversation. I actually want to bring on people who were either born Muslim or reverted to Islam and start doing interviews and start having conversations about it and actually do a review of Reversion. So let's make this the true Reverts Revue. Y'all, please stick with me, roll with me. We are going to revamp this a little bit. Make sure you subscribe to the Savannah Speaks channel if you haven't already. On Mondays, I'm trying to make sure we're doing Mouthful Mondays, where I'm coming to y'all and I'm talking about things that have gone on through the week, different updates in my life, different questions or contests or things that I want to pose to you all. It's just the extra day when Wednesday and Friday aren't enough. Wednesday, we will be doing Midweek Speak, where I'll be sharing with you different excerpts from What Happened While I Was Waiting, a collection of poeticisms, which is my book, or new poetry that I have written and submitted to contests. And on Fridays, we will be starting back with Reverts Revue, the new Reverts Revue, the new vision for Reverts Revue. So y'all rock with me, stick with me, ring the bell, y'all, ring the bell. And in case nobody told you today, I love you. Thanks. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media platforms and subscribe to this channel by clicking right here. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and to be notified whenever Savannah Speaks uploads a new video. Make sure you ring the bell, y'all. Ring the bell. In order to support the work, make sure you become a patron. Get your copy of What Happened While I Was Waiting, a collection of poeticisms by Savannah Willis, available now only on lulu.com.
We make music. Allah Muhammad Rasulullah, Allah Muhammad Rasulullah, Allah Muhammad Rasulullah. Allah Muhammad Rasulullah, Allah Muhammad Rasulullah, Allah Muhammad Rasulullah.